Hey there, we're thrilled to introduce you to the brand new Drafts 2.0, packed with more features to make your workflow smoother than ever. Let's dive into what's new and exciting. First things first, logging in is a breeze. Just head over to drafts.visalaw.ai, enter your email, and you'll receive a one-time passcode to access your account securely. Ready to create your first draft? Hit that new draft button and enter your project name. This could be the case name, case number, or even the foreign national's name. Next, choose your case type. Heads up, some case types are in beta, which means they're free to test while we polish them up. One of the coolest new features allows legal staff to share projects with team members, making collaboration easy. Let's click Next and move on to uploading files. When you're ready to upload, remember we support PDF, Doc, and DOCX formats. You'll get an email confirmation once your documents are up and running. This usually takes about a minute. You can track the progress right beside each document. Need to remove a file? No problem. Just delete it before you click Next. Now this is where the magic happens. Click Select All and explore the organizational options. Our AI can rename and organize documents swiftly. You can even group them into sections, which you can drag and drop as needed. Don't worry, this won't mess up your draft structure. Here, the AI is reorganizing our documents for us. You can have the AI also create section tags. You can manually edit the section tags for each document. This gives you control over which document section each of your documents is used to support. Select which sections to include in your drafted document. You can select all possible selections or customize to fit the unique needs of your case. Once your documents are organized, it's time to review and tweak the case details. This is where you can make changes to the petitioner, change titles, change beneficiary names, even add pronouns and job titles, as well as add signatory names and signatory titles. Hit Next to go over the document settings. Some case types might need citations and exhibits. You decide what to include. Plus, you can choose between our default templates or your own. Just make sure your custom templates are added before you start your project. Clicking Next again will bring you back to the dashboard. You'll see the project status evolve from document upload complete to draft launched, and finally draft complete once it's ready for review. And just to note, this can take some time and we've sped the process up for you. To check out your document, click on the project. Document generation times can vary on the size of your document. Long documents can take longer, and we've sped things up for you in this instance. In the View Draft function, over View, you can see your document. In the Annotation view, you have multiple options you can choose from, including comments, where you can leave notes for yourself or your peers for how you want to edit the draft moving forward. In the Edit Draft view, you can edit your document like you would in Word. This allows you to make native changes within this document before you export it. You can even pop out the side view and see your annotations and comments that you made before. One of the highlights of Drafts 2.0 is the AI redraft feature. Highlight the section of text that you want to see changed with AI redraft, click on it, type in any additional info or corrections, and see the AI do the work for you. Here you can see the new draft created by VisaLaw AI. It's taken into account your instructions and has applied those in its new redraft. Hit Apply Changes to replace the text. Customization is foundational to Drafts 2.0. The editing features in Drafts 2.0 should feel similar to other word processing applications that you've used. You can bold text, bullet points, and make changes within the paragraphs. There's many different ways that you can customize your documents before you save them or download them. Another great feature that's been added to Drafts 2.0 is the Send for Review button. After polishing your document or adding comments, you can send it to a team member for review. They'll get an email notification to jump on it, and once you're happy with everything, click Finish and proceed. So there you have it, Drafts 2.0 from VisaLaw AI. We're here to help immigration lawyers deliver fast, more accurate representation while reducing stress and inaccuracies in every case. VisaLaw AI is your premier immigration intelligence platform. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed Drafts 2.0. And if you want to learn more from VisaLaw AI, you can visit our LinkedIn, YouTube, or our website.